Today's math lesson is Module 4, Lesson 16. I can solve word problems using tape diagrams and fraction by fraction multiplication. You're going to be taking what you've been learning in the previous 15 lessons and applying it using tape diagrams, which we've been doing all year, and fraction by fraction multiplication. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. The denominators do not need to be in common. That's adding and subtracting only. So I'm going to walk you through where you need to go. So in Schoology, you need to go to Math. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on Play Pause It, formerly known as Educanon. So now we've all logged in at least once last Wednesday. We're going to click Approve. Then we're going to go to the second row, the middle, the 5th grade math Coval. And then we're going to scroll down and I'm going to edit the date, but it will be Lesson 16. So we're going to click where it says Math 416. Click on the words. So the video is going to pop up and you're going to click play. So remember, what I'm doing in the video, you're doing in your workbook. Now this is what a few of you did not do last week, is you must submit answers. When the question pops up, you must put an answer in. Those that have Mrs. Adams, you should get farther than one question. This video is only like an 8-minute video. 9-minute video. Last one was much longer. So there is no reason for you not to get most, if not all, of the questions answered and your notes completed. Those that had a consequence last time, I hope you remember, because that's going to happen this night. If we don't get our work done, then we have to stay in at recess and do it. We don't take advantage of substitutes. Absolutely not. Make me proud. Show me that you're on board. You can do this. We've been doing tape diagrams, and we've been doing fraction by fraction multiplication. Mrs. Adams students, you don't leave until she comes and picks you up. Don't skip out again. Make me proud. This is the work that you will be working on throughout the class period. Concept development's only one page, 124. Problem set has multiple word problems. Look for those key words on pages 125, 126. And then we have homework to begin. I'm only assigning one problem, but yes, it has 5 parts. So they've broken it into easily solvable parts. Take your time and annotate the problems. Find those key words. Make me proud. Show our substitute on-board behavior. Good luck.